For the past 40 years, we've heard conflicting information about eggs, including whether they're good for your heart or not. In today's video, we'll delve into the facts regarding eggs and heart disease and finally draw a line under the discussion. Do eggs cause heart disease? Do they boost cholesterol levels? Should you avoid them entirely? These are all valid issues that may leave anybody feeling overwhelmed and confused. We'll examine the facts, review some important research, and dispel common misconceptions about this contentious cuisine once and for all. We'll also go through the primary issues that eggs might cause and how to avoid them. Keep watching as we expose the truth about eggs and heart disease to provide you with the knowledge you need to make the best decisions for your heart and general well-being. However, before we do that, could you kindly do us a favor? To be informed about our most recent films and to help us spread the word about heart disease prevention, please click the thumbs up and ring the bell. We want to ensure that you have access to the most recent information so that you can live a long and healthy life. In 1961, Ansel Keys proposed that saturated fats and dietary cholesterol were the main causes of heart disease. Despite mounting evidence to the contrary, this idea quickly gained traction. Today, however, many doctors and scientists are debating whether cholesterol and saturated fats really are the root causes of heart disease. For example, in the well-known 2004 Rotterdam study, researchers discovered lower rat blood cholesterol levels. We also have the French paradox, a community of individuals who routinely consume butter and high-fat cheese, but have low rates of heart disease, despite these foods being generally associated with poor cholesterol. According to statistics, only 50% of heart attack victims have high cholesterol levels, indicating that the other 50% of heart attack victims have cholesterol levels that are within the normal range, yet nonetheless experience heart attacks. Interesting research even indicates that those with greater cholesterol may live longer. For instance, American researchers found in a 1992 study that low cholesterol was associated with an increased risk of mortality from respiratory and gastrointestinal diseases. The same study followed over 10,000 healthy people for 15 years and found that those with low cholesterol were more likely to be hospitalized for infectious diseases. Similar to the above, a 2007 meta-analysis of 23 studies published in the British Medical Journal found that patients with low concentrations of LDL cholesterol who took statins had a significantly higher risk of being diagnosed with cancer than those with higher concentrations of cholesterol. That maintaining low cholesterol may not be the most effective strategy available. There is more to it now than that. While cholesterol may not be inherently harmful, issues do arise when it is damaged or oxidized. Oxidation happens when cholesterol particles are exposed to free radicals, unstable molecules that harm cells and tissues in the body. These factors include smoking, eating toxic foods, and other things. When cholesterol particles are oxidized, they disrupt cellular function and integrity, leading to inflammation and contributing to other health problems. Eating 3 eggs a day actually improved the results of one study published in the Journal of Nutrition. Cholesterol composition in overweight people, a carbohydrate-restricted diet, was followed by all 28 overweight or obese men, and 50 of them also consumed 3 eggs daily. The carbohydrate restriction decreased the risk of metabolic syndrome in both groups, but the egg group also saw an increase in HDL cholesterol, or good cholesterol, levels. The function of HDL is to carry extra cholesterol from the circulation to the liver for processing and expulsion from the body, keeping the entire system in balance. Therefore, you might wonder what makes eggs so excellent and whether there are any restrictions. Eggs can be thought of as a complete food. One of the most notable advantages of their comprehensive nutrient profile, which includes a wide variety of essential vitamins, minerals, and micronutrients, is the high-quality protein they contain, which includes all 9 essential amino acids. These amino acids are important for a number of processes, including immune system and muscle growth and repair. Eggs' full protein serves as a good source of energy and helps with the production of hormones and enzymes. Additionally, eggs are a fantastic source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are essential for the generation of hormones and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, as well as for brain function. Additionally, eggs contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to suppress inflammation, aids brain function, and lower the risk of heart disease. Additionally, eggs are high in vitamins A, D, E, and B, which support healthy vision, strong bones, and normal nerve function. They also contain significant amounts of iron, zinc, and selenium, which are essential for the production of red blood cells and immune health. The synthesis of cell membranes requires choline. It's crucial throughout pregnancy, since it promotes fetal brain development and may guard against neural tube problems later in life. Choline shortage is linked to several health issues, including fatty liver disease, issues with the pancreas and kidneys. Eating eggs is a smart approach to acquire adequate choline and avoid insufficiency, since choline deficit is associated with muscle degeneration, raised homocysteine levels, and an increased risk for cardiovascular disease. Additionally, certain antioxidants found in eggs like lutein and zeaxanthin support eye health by preventing cataracts and macular degeneration. If you'd like, First Heart Disease Code will send you a complimentary book. Everyone worried about heart health should watch The Surprising Truth About Fat and Cholesterol and the first episode of the Untold OK. Back to the video. When choosing what to eat, it's important to take into account both the type of food and the method by which it was produced. For example, eggs from pasture-raised and free-range hens contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, vitamin E, and other essential nutrients than eggs from hens kept in cages. Contrarily, caged hens are often kept in tight confines where they are unable to move and only consume commercial chicken feed. If a human were kept in a cage where they were unable to eat real food or exercise, they wouldn't be able to maintain a healthy weight. Children of the hen rear on a meadow. All of this results in higher egg quality and advantages for us when we consume it, but does it really make that big of a difference? The explanation is that in 2019, researchers examined how people's bodies react to food derived from animals bred in various circumstances. The study demonstrated that consuming the same foods, such as eggs, cheese, beef, and butter, from animals bred in various ways resulted in considerable variations in crucial aspects of human health. Inflammatory triggers and omega-3 fatty acids. To put it another way, inflammatory indicators may rise if you consume eggs from caged hens that are low in omega-3s, but eggs from pasture-raised hens that are high in omega-3s may actually lower inflammatory markers. Researchers came to the conclusion that the way animals are reared results in noticeably greater benefits on health. Thank you so much for watching. We sincerely hope it helps, and have a wonderful, heart-healthy day. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.